everybody, I'm Christine Danchuk, and for those of you that don't know, the Danchuk sale has started. Yay! So we have hundreds of Trifive parts that are on sale, so you're going to want to call in, go online, and get your sales catalog. And here I'm going to show you a few of the parts that are on sale. We have our headlight bezels, our fender louvers, some hood rockets, some scripts and V's, and then we have some dash lenses, some different various light switches, some more script emblems, and then we have our steering horn ring, and we have the battery boxes. Oh, and then these are really important too. These are the manuals. So if you are building a Trifive, you're going to need this because this will be very helpful. So those are on sale. And then over here we have our the 55 and the 57 and the 56 tail lights. And these are made in the USA here, right in Santa Ana, California. Over here we have our bumpers that are on sale. And we have some dash trim. And our gas tank sending unit. And some more dash trim for the 56, the hood birds, and also we have the parklight housing assembly. And then this is neat too. This you're going to want for your garage to put up. It's a really neat sign. This is on sale. And then over here we have our 55 grill. And this was debuted at the SEMA show. And our t-shirts are on sale too. And these came out in 2019, and these were debuted at the Danchuk Trifive National Show. We have them in black and white. We have lady sizes and men's sizes. So definitely a good gift. And we also have, this is pretty new, our Danchuk gift cards. And for every $100 you spend, you get an extra 10. So this is cool, good idea for a gift. And we have our sales catalog. So if you did receive one of these, you're going to want to call us so you can get one. And also too, the parts are online. So our sale's going on, so please give us a call and look and see what we have on sale. And I hope you have a Merry Christmas, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye!